They stole Aikman's brain. It's in Troy Aikman NFL football from Trade West. So now you can play the way Troy plays with Troy's own favorite plays. Call Troy's two-point conversion. Use Troy's exclusive general manager screen to build a Super Bowl champion.
Gonna be a long season.
They stole Aikman's brain. It's in Troy Aikman NFL football. Who would do such a thing?
What's this magazine doing under your bed?
Get that weed whack away from my door.
String bean or baked bean?
You expect to pass this class.
Introducing the first Doom-like game for Sega. Zero tolerance. Because there's just way too much reality out there.
An oil change and a free burger with cheese.
Don't forget the ketchup.
For those who purchased something other than a Sega Genesis,
Yeah, that's it.
our sincere condolences.
What a waste.
When you start with a Genesis, you can always add a Sega CD. And new Genesis 32X. Everything else is cold and stiff.
Burial or cremation?
Burn it.
Welcome to the next level.
You can add a hard disk drive. You can add a scanner. You can add many megabytes of RAM. You can add a CD-ROM drive. You can upgrade to Power PC. You can one day, quite possibly, rule the world.